Hi, my name is Anuj Agrawal, and thank you for watching this video. I am a seasoned Google Sheets and Google Apps script developer with a deep passion for transforming how businesses manage and interact with their data. My expertise lies in building custom automated solutions that save time, reduce manual errors, and provide clear and actionable insights. I specialize in creating complex data analysis tools, automating repetitive tasks, and integrating Google Workspace elements with various APIs to pull in data from external sources or update systems dynamically. Whether you need a fully automated workflow, a sophisticated data tracker, or a custom dashboard, I bring both the technical skills and the strategic thinking needed to turn your ideas into reality. In addition to Google Sheets, I have extensive experience working with other Google Workspace products like Google Docs, Google Forms, Google BigQuery, Firebase, Google Sheets, Slides, Google Calendar, Google Tasks, and Looker Studio. This allows me to build comprehensive solutions that not only meet your immediate needs but are also scalable for future growth. On this channel, I share my knowledge and experience through project showcases. I cover everything from basic Google Sheets function to advanced app script coding, helping you unlock the full potential of these powerful tools. Whether you are a small business owner looking to streamline operations, a data analyst seeking more efficient ways to manage information, or a developer interested in expanding your skill set, there's something here for you. Join me as we dive into the world of Google Workspace, exploring ways to make your work more efficient, your data more insightful, and your processes more automated.